Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 6 Integers Exercise 6.3 Question number 3. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says fill in the blanks. Okay. So as you can see, the first one A1 here is -8 plus a blank is there is equal to 0. So as you can see, -8 plus blank is equal to 0. So we need to fill a number in here which when we will add then we will get 0. But friends, over here as you can see, over here we have this plus sign and this minus sign, because -8 is a negative number and over here we have a plus sign. So you need to locate these two signs, you need to see the two signs. So minus and plus is there, minus plus is equal to minus. That means any number which we will write in here, any positive number which we will write in here will be subtracted from, and from what will it be subtracted? From -8. That means here we need to write a positive number to reach 0. That means the correct number. Okay. So of course now you are able to, so from -8 to 0 we need to move 8 steps. That means over here we will write 8. Okay. Now if you are not satisfied, you can even check this and then see are you actually getting 0 or not. Okay. So as you can see, -8, we are going to open the brackets here. So -8 will be as it is, and now we have plus over here and plus, and after -8 here we have +8. Alright, so let's move on to solve this question. So as you can see, now the signs are different. That means when we will subtract, so 8 minus 8 is 0 only. Now as you can see here we are getting 0. That means our answer is correct. Now friends, let us move on to the next question. So this is 13 plus and the blank is there is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to fill a number in here that will give us 0 when we will add it in 13. But this is not possible, because you can even see if you add 1 even in 13, that is 13 plus 1, that is equal to 14. So if you are going to keep on adding numbers, then you are not going to get 0 over here. Okay, that means what you have to do is eventually you will have to subtract the numbers. Okay, so as you can see, we can write a negative number over here so that we get a subtraction sentence. Now which negative number? So you are at 13 and if you have to go to 0, you might need to go to the left. That means you need to go to the backwards. And how many steps? 13 numbers, 13 steps. That means we will write 13 but not in plus, in minus. This will be -13. Okay, because this -13 means we are going 13 steps back from 13, so we get 0. And again you are not satisfied, so you can solve this. So 13 will be as it is, plus, as you can see, plus minus is minus, so we will write minus and 13 over here, that is 0. Alright, so again our answer is correct. Now let us see the next blank. Let's fill in the blanks. So as you can see, this is 12 plus -12 is equal to a blank. Okay, so as you can see, this is a whole problem given to us, a whole question given to us. So simply we will solve this and then only we will find the answer. So 12 will be as it is, and as you can see, plus minus and then 12, that is 0. That means our answer will be 0. Okay, over here. Now let's move on to the next blank. So this says -4 plus blank is equal to -12. Okay, now friends, over here as you can see, we have -4 plus a blank which we need to fill over here. That will give us -12 over here. So as you can see over here, minus plus is minus. So again over here, if we will write any of the positive number, then we will not get minus 12 because positive numbers will make the numbers move to the right. So we need to write a negative number in here to know to get to minus 12 from minus 4. And how many steps are needed to go from minus 4 to minus 12? Well, there are 8 steps, and we will write 8, but we will write a negative 8 over here, and this will be in brackets. Now again let's check our answer. So minus 4 will be minus 4 without brackets, plus minus, so it's minus 8. Alright, now let's solve this. So as you can see, minus 4 and minus 8 have the same signs. So we will add them. So 8 plus 4 becomes 12, and sign will be minus, that is minus 12. Now as you can see, we are getting minus 12 here even and minus 12 when we have solved this even. Now friends, let us move on to the next question. So over here, as you can see, this is a blank. Minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Okay. So friends, as you can see here, we have to find the first number of our blank, of our fill in the blank. So friends, what number will be here? Friends, you have to see over here, if we write a negative number will have a minus sign over here, and on 15 there is a minus sign. So minus, that will become plus. But we don't have to add, we have to subtract, because you can see a minus mark is here. So we can't write a negative number here. But if we take a positive number, that is plus minus, then that will become minus. So we are subtracting over here. So which number shall we take? From which we will subtract 15 and we will get 10. So from minus 10 to 0, 10 numbers are there. So 5 numbers more. That means from 0 to 5 numbers more will give us 5. That means over here, which number shall we write? We will write 5 over here. Alright. Now friends, let us solve this question right here. So as you can see, this 5 will be as it is. Now here we have plus and minus, that is minus. So this will be minus 15. Okay. So the two numbers have different signs. So we need to subtract them. So 15 minus 5 is 10. And 15 is greater than 5. So this is minus 10. So as you can see, we are getting minus 10 here even and here even. That means our answer is correct. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing. Bye-bye.